So in this video, I will talk something about the ANOVA test. Suppose we have three different groups, and the null hypothesis for the ANOVA test is that the mean for all three groups are equal to each other, and the alternative hypothesis is that there will be at least one inequalities among those three groups. So by doing the ANOVA test, I would suggest you to go to the data analysis. Under the analysis panel, click the data tab, go to analysis, then click the data analysis. So select the first one, ANOVA single test, click OK. So the data range would be from column A to column C. Each column represents one group. So since our first row just the number of group, so we should select the labels in the first row. Our significance level in this case is 0.05, so it's okay. So output range, I want to put my output here. So my output range is F1. Then click OK. So here is the result for the ANOVA table. The p-value is less than 0.05, so which means we can reject the null hypothesis, which also means there is at least one inequalities between among three groups. So that's the ANOVA test.